Hello friends, welcome to Shell's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make fried rice and chicken curry. I am going to make two recipes. So if you are new to my channel, if you like my channel, please subscribe. कल पता चल रहा है सब आ जाता है कि हम लोग का मोहल्ला ये वाला पूरा कैंपस ही मोहल्ला बन जाओगा क्या? नहीं मतलब है क्यों नया बड़ा फिर एक मंगाए ले लिया Hello friends, my son wants to eat this. What is this? Popcorn, makai. We call it bhutta. So I'm going to burn this. I've burned the bhuttas. You can see it will be very nice to eat now. Put salt, some lime on this and it will be very nice to eat. To make the fried rice, put some refined oil, put the sliced onions, put some bay leaves, put some garam masala, you can see, let the onions fry nicely. I have taken basmati rice, I washed it and kept it aside. I have taken with this measurement 2.5 bowls. The onions are turned brown, you can see. Now put in the basmati rice. And fry the rice well. Put some salt to taste. And fry the basmati rice along with the onions nicely. The basmati rice also is fried up nicely. Now I will put the water. Warm water. I have taken 5 bowls of water which I am going to put in now. With this measurement I have taken 5 bowls. I will cover the rice. Now I am going to change the fire. I am going to put it on the small gas, small chulha. This fried rice will cook on this small fire. Okay. Now I am going to get ready with the chicken curry. Put some mustard oil. Put 3 dry chilies, red dry chilies. Put some jeera. Put some bay leaves. and put in the sliced onions. I have taken for the chicken curry masalas which I am going to grind. That is jeera, dhania, ginger garlic and some black pepper. All this I am going to grind it. Now onions are gone brown, you can see. It's become brown, you can see. Now I will put in the chicken. I have taken some potatoes also. This also I will add in it. Today the fried rice and the chicken curry will be very tasty to eat, very delicious, very yummy. I hope you all will like it, friends. Put the salt to taste. Now I will let the potato and the chicken fry. My fried rice is ready. You can see how lovely it is. See the fried rice? It's cooked up nicely and it's looking very delicious and tasty. The fried rice. This is ready. Put in the ginger garlic paste. Put in all the masala paste. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. And now I will brown the masalas along with the chicken. I will add some chicken masala also. Now I will let the chicken and the masala fry. The masalas are all fried up with the chicken and the potatoes. Now I will add some water. Put in the garam masala powder. Put in the chopped tomatoes and dhania patti. Cover it and let it cook. The chicken curry also is ready. Now I will serve it out.